Think you know the T-Rex? Think again. Myth 1. T-Rex had terrible vision. False. Its eyesight was sharper than a hawk's. Myth 2. It couldn't run. Actually, it could reach 12 to 20 miles per hour, fast enough to chase you down. Myth 3. T-Rex only scavenged. Nope. Fossil evidence shows active hunting and bone-crushing bites. Myth 4. Tiny arms? Useless? Wrong. They were strong enough to lift 400 pounds. And myth 5. It roared like in the movies. More likely, it growled or rumbled like a giant crocodile. T-Rex wasn't just a monster, it was a perfectly adapted survival machine. Still think it was overrated? Smash that follow button for more wild truths from Earth's fiercest creatures.